Good morning, students. Today we'll discuss the next story. We are not afraid to die if we can all be together. Means if we all are together, family, so we are fearless. We become fearless. The company of our dear ones make us always fearless. This story is written by Gordon Cook and Ellen East. I am sending you these videos of complete explanation of the text only because you should understand each and every line. That is called the skimming of the text. Reading in between the lines, understanding the main concepts, and learning the basics, learning the facts mentioned in the story. The story is about a sea journey. Sea journey means in July 1976, my wife Mary, son Jonathan, 6 years old, daughter Susan, 7 years old, and I set sail from Plymouth. Plymouth is in England, to duplicate the round the world voyage made 200 years earlier by Captain James Cook. Means 200 years back, Captain James Cook did the world journey. Now the author also wants to do the same. For the longest time, Mary and I, a 30 years old businessman, now he's telling about his own age, had dreamt of sailing in the wake of the famous explorer, and for the past 16 years, we had spent all our leisure means free time, honing our seafaring skills in the British waters. Means they have been doing practice in the British rivers and seas, waters, means water bodies, to continue their world journey through sea. Now, in the next stanza, he is describing his boat. Our boat, Wave Walker, 23 meter, 30-ton wooden hulled beauty, had been professionally built, and we had spent months fitting it out and testing it in the roughest weather we could find. Then they prepared a boat, and the name of the boat was Wave Walker. They tested it many times. The first leg of our planned 3-year, 105,000 kilometer journey passed pleasantly as we sailed down the west coast of Africa to Cape Town. First कहाँ से start किया? From Africa to Cape Town. There, before heading east, we took on 2 crewmen, American Larry Vigil and Swiss Herb Segler. So from Cape Town, 2 other persons joined them. Their names were American Larry Vigil and Swiss. एक स्विस का था, स्विट्जरलैंड का, और दूसरा अमेरिका का, to help us tackle one of the world's roughest seas, the southern Indian Ocean. Now they reached Indian Ocean. On our second day out of Cape Town, when they started from Cape Town, the second day, we began to encounter strong gales. Gales means storms, tufan. For the next few weeks, they blew continuously. Gales did not worry me, but the size of the waves was alarming. Means the waves were very high, up to 15 meters. अब ये देखो कितने facts हैं इस story में. That is why I am sending you in this way, and you are to learn these facts. As high as our main mast. Mast means वो जो there is one big rod in the sea. Mast. It is very high, 15 meters high. The waves reaching the mast. December 25 found us 3,500 kilometers east of Cape Town. अब वो Cape Town से 3,500 kilometers दूर आ गए थे. Despite atrocious weather, atrocious means very, very bad weather, we had a wonderful holiday complete with a Christmas tree. New Year's Day saw no improvement in the weather, but we reasoned that it had to change soon. Means very soon it will change. And it did change for the worse. The weather changed, but it became Worse means poorer. At dawn on January 2, the waves were gigantic. Gigantic means even larger. Earlier they were 15 meters, now it were larger. We were sailing with only a small storm jib and were still making 8 knots. एक jib means एक rope type, 8 knots हैं जिसमें. As the ship rose to the top of each wave, we could see endless, enormous seas rolling towards us. Means when the waves of the seas were coming towards them, it looked as if several seas are approaching them all together. And the screaming of the wind and spray was painful to the ears. Means those noises of the storm, of the wind and the waves were very painful to them. To slow the boat down, we dropped the storm jib and lashed a heavy mooring rope. एक बहुत very heavy rope they tied the boat with in a loop across the stern. They tried to balance their boat. Then we double lashed everything. Double lashed means दोबारा बांधा so that they can control themselves. Went through our life raft drill. Means these all are equipment that they brought with them to face the difficulties in the sea journey. Attached lifelines, donned oil skins and life jackets. They oiled their skins and they put on their jackets and waited. Then they started waiting. The first indication of impending means coming, disaster came at about 6 p.m. It is, what is date? 2nd January, 6 p.m. with an ominous silence. Ominous means very bad. Silence. The wind dropped. The wind stopped. And the sky immediately grew dark. Then came a growing roar and an enormous cloud towered aft of the ship. There was a big cloud that covered the ship overhead. With horror, I realized that it was not a cloud. It was not a cloud, but a wave like no other I had ever seen. It was not a cloud, it was a wave that came very high and it became just like a roof over the ship. Now, when this wave, water will fall down, what will happen? The whole of the boat will be filled with water. It appeared perfectly vertical and almost twice the height of other waves with a frightful breaking crest, great noise. The roar increased to a thunder as the stern moved up the face of the wave, then thundering. And for a moment I thought we might ride over it. But then tremendous explosion. Explosion means a great noise, जैसे बम फूटता है ना, shook the deck. The deck of the ship was shaken. A torrent of green and white water broke over the ship. The water entered the ship. My head smashed into the wheel. Wheel, which wheel? The steering wheel. And I was aware of the flying overboard and sinking below the waves. He was sinking down the waves. The waves entered the ship. I accepted my approaching death. And as I was losing consciousness, I felt quite peaceful. Means he was losing in consciousness and he was peaceful. Means he was forgetting everything, what was happening. Unexpectedly, my head popped out of water. A few meters away, wave walker was nearing capsizing. Her masts almost horizontal. Horizontal means बिल्कुल straight हो गए उसके मास्ट, ऐसे erect होते हैं ना. Then a wave hauled her upright. My lifeline jacket taut means it was jerked. I grabbed the guardrails and sailed through the air onto the wave walker's main boom. Means he was shifting here and there in the wave, in the boat. The waves were moving him. Subsequent wave, subsequent means उसके बाद आने वाली, tossed me around the deck like a rag doll. Doll means any doll the girls make in of rag means छोटे छोटे कपड़ों से बनी हुई. My left ribs cracked. My mouth filled with blood and broken teeth. His teeth was broken. Somehow I found the wheel, again wheel, lined up the stern for the next wave and hung on. Hang on means he held tightly the wheel. Water everywhere. I could feel that the ship had water below, but I dared not to abandon the wheel to investigate. Abandon means to leave. I did not leave the hold on the wheel. Suddenly, in front of hatch was thrown open and Mary appeared, his wife. We are sinking, she screamed. The decks are smashed. We are full of water. Means we are going to die. Take the wheel, I shouted as I scrambled for the hatch. Larry and Herb were pumping like madmen, those two persons who joined them at Cape Town. Broken timbers hung at the crazy angles. The whole starboard side bulged inwards. Clothes, crockery, charts, tins, and toys sloshed about in deep water. Means everything was floating in the boat. I half swam, half crawled into the children's cabin. Then he reached the children's cabin. Are you all right? I asked. Yes, they answered from an upper bunk. But my head hurts a bit, said Sue. Sue replied, there is a hurt in my head, pointing to a big bump above her eyes, swollen place. I had no time to worry about bumped heads. After finding a hammer, screws, and canvas, I struggled back on deck with the starboard side bashed open. We were taking water with each wave that broke over us. Now the waves were entering the boat. The boat was being filled with water and it was very difficult for them to survive. If I couldn't make some repairs, we would surely sink. Somehow I managed to stretch canvas and secure waterproof hatch covers across the gaping holes. There were holes in the boat. The water made them. And the water came from the upper waves. Now the water started entering from the sea also. Some water continued to stream below, but most of it was now being deflected over the side of the ship. More problems arose when our hand pumps started to block up. Means they were throwing water out of the ship with the help of the hand pumps. With debris floating around the cabins and the electric pump short-circuited. Means when there was so much water in the boat, there was a short circuit in the hand pump. So it stopped working. The water level rose threateningly. It was a great challenge for them. Back on the deck, I found that our two spare hand pumps had been ratcheted overboard. They also had brought with them some spare things. Along with the forestry sail, the zib, the dinghies and main anchor. Anchor means ship को जो कहीं ना कहीं रोकने के लिए, control करने के लिए. So they used all the other spare parts that they had brought with them. Then I remembered we had another electric pump under the chart room floor. I connected it to an out pipe and was thankful to find that it worked. Means now they had a little hope that the other electric pump was working out. The night dragged on with an endless, bitterly cold routine of pumping, steering, working the radio. We were getting no replies to our mayday calls. Means radio means they were giving calls for help, but there was no reply. Maybe there was no connection in this big storm, which was not surprising in this remote corner of the world. First, it was the remote corner of the world, and secondly, due to the heavy storm, they could not reach out anyone to help. Sue's head had swollen alarmingly. वो bump था ना उसके head पे. It was swollen. She had two enormous black eyes, and now she showed us a deep cut on her arm. उसकी arm पे भी cut लग गया. When I asked why she had not made more of her injuries before this, she replied, I didn't want to worry you when you were trying to save us all. She said, means I did not want to exaggerate your problems. You were already very tensed saving us from this storm. By morning on January 3, दे देखो 1 day की सारी problems हैं. The pumps had the water level sufficiently under control for us to take 2 hours rest in rotation. Now when they were able to throw out the water out of the ship with the help of the pump, they relaxed and rested for 2 hours. But still had a tremendous leak somewhere below the water line. On checking, I found that nearly all the boats' main rib frames were smashed down to the nail. फिर भी water was entering the ship from beneath, and he found that the main ribs of the boat were cracked. There was leakage. In fact, there was nothing holding up a whole section of the starboard hull except a few cupboard partitions. Only some cupboards of the ship were spared. Otherwise, the complete ship, there were holes and leakages. The water kept on entering again and again. We had survived for 15 hours since the wave hit, but Wave Walker would not hold together long enough for us to reach Australia. Means they could not reach Australia if the weather continued like this. I checked our charts and calculated that there were 2 small islands a few hundred kilometers off to the east. So they decided to rest at some other island. One of them, Isles Amsterdam, was a French scientific base. Our only hope was to reach there, pinpricks in the vast oceans. Means so they decided to reach the Amsterdam. But unless the wind and seas abated so we could hoist sail, our chances would be slim indeed. Slim means very least chances, very less chances of surviving and reaching even there. The great wave had put our auxiliary engine out of action. Engine stopped working. On January 4, after 36 hours of continuous pumping, we reached the last few centimeters of water. वहाँ कहाँ पहुँचना तो ना एम्स्टरडम तक. Now we had ourselves to keep pace with the water still coming in. The water was still entering the boat. We could not set our sail on the mainmast. Pressure on the rigging would simply pull the damaged section of the hull apart. Means if we put more together, the one part of the ship would part away. Part away means separate ho jayega. So we hoisted the storm jib and headed for where I thought 2 islands were. So I headed means I tried to go to the nearest islands. Mary found some corned beef and cracker biscuits and we ate our first meal in almost 2 days. 2 दिन खाना भी नहीं खा पाए. But our respite was short-lived. At 4 p.m., black clouds began building up behind us. Within the hour, the wind was back to 40 knots and the seas were getting higher. The weather continued to deteriorate. Deteriorate means becoming worse or bura ho jana throughout the night. And by the dawn on January 5, our situation was again desperate. They again became surrounded by difficult situations. Our situation was desperate. When I went in to confront he again went to the children. John asked, Daddy, are we going to die? I tried to assure him that we could make it. We could make it means we could survive. But Daddy, he went on, we are not afraid of dying if we can all be together. If we all are together, we are not afraid of even death, you and Mummy, Sue and I. I could find no words with which to respond. Means this optimistic attitude of the children. He could not reply them. But I felt the children's cabin determined to fight the sea with everything I had. Means he was anticipating. He was fearing that the cabin would blow off. To protect the weakened starboard side, I decided to have heave to with undamaged port hull facing the oncoming waves. The waves were coming, the sea is entering the boat, so he tried his best to keep it protected from every side, but he was not successful. Using an improvised sea anchor improvised means very weak, that was not of any help, of heavy nylon rope, जो rope nylon की rope का बना हुआ था, and 222 लीटर प्लास्टिक बैरल्स ऑफ पैराफिन, पैराफिन भी था उनको, उसने सब कुछ ट्राई किया, ऑयल डाल देना तो कि सो दैट वाटर सेपरेट हो जाए, बट नथिंग हेल्प्ड देम. That evening, Mary and I sat together holding hands as the motion of the ship brought more and more water in through the broken planks. Planks होते हैं नीचे जो फट्टे लगे होते हैं ना शिप पे, they also were broken. We both felt the end was very near. We both were sure that now we'll die. But Wave Walker rode out the storm, and by the morning of January 6, with the wind easing, wind थोड़ी ease हो गई, comfortable हो गई, I tried to get a reading on the sextant, reading लेने की कोशिश की कि where we have reached now. Back in the chart room, I worked on wind speeds. Then he tried to find out at what speed the wind was working. Changes of course, what changes were coming, drift and current, in an effort to calculate he was trying to calculate where they were and how much time it could take to reach them to that small island. The best I could determine was that we were somewhere in 150,000 kilometers of the ocean looking for a 65-kilometer wide island. Means there was a 65 kilometer island near. While I was thinking, Sue, moving painfully, joined me. The left side of her head was now very swollen and her blackened eyes narrowed to slits. आंखें बिल्कुल बंद हो गई हैं. She gave me a card she had made. Sue handed over a card to her father. On the front she had drawn caricatures of Mary and me. Mama और पापा के cartoons. Caricatures means cartoons बनाए थे with words. Here are some funny people. Did they make you laugh? वो उनको दिखा रही, that she is trying to ease, comfort the tension, stress of her parents. I laughed a lot as well. Inside was a message, और उस कार्ड के अंदर एक मैसेज था. Oh, how I love you both. So this card is to say thank you and let's hope for the best. Somehow we had to make it. Now the words written inside the card that gave assurance, confidence, strength to the author to fight again. I checked and rechecked my calculations. We had lost our campus and I was using a spare means extra campus, which had not been correction for magnetic variation. Means magnetic variations were not given correct information. I made an allowance for this and another estimate of the influence of the westerly currents which flow through this part of the Indian Ocean. He only guessed with the help of the currents of the water that at which part of the Indian Ocean they might have reached. About 2 p.m., I went on deck and asked Larry to steer of course 185 degree. He asked Larry, वो जो 2 men थे ना उसके साथ, तो कि 185 degree पे turn करो. As if we were lucky, I told him with the conviction. Conviction means strong determination. Now he had got. I did not feel. अंदर से नहीं लग रहा उसको determination, but ऊपर से वो he is showing it. He could expect to see the island at about 5 p.m. मतलब we will reach that island at 5 p.m. Then with a heavy heart I went below, climbed on my bunk and amazingly dozed off. Dozed off means उसको नींद आ गई. He was so tired. When I woke it was 6 p.m. and growing dark. I knew we must have missed the island. सब उसे लगा कि we might have, क्योंकि he was hoping to reach there at 5 p.m. Now it was 6 p.m. and with the sail we had left, we couldn't hope to beat back into the westerly winds. Now they could not go back. At that moment, a tousle had appeared by my bunk. Can I have a hug? Jonathan asked. Sue was right behind him. Why am I getting a hug now? I asked. Means why? Why are you hugging me? Because you are the best daddy in the whole world and the best captain, my son replied. Not daddy's own, I am afraid. Not today's own. Miss, I am not the best daddy. Why, you must be, said Sue in a matter of fact voice. You found the islands. Means we have reached the island. उसको वो नींद में था ना. There were other captains to help him. So he reached there and he woke up later. What? I shouted. It is out there in front of us. वो देखो सामने island है. They chorused. Chorused means sang together. As big as a battleship. I rushed on the deck and gazed with relief at the stark outline of Isle Amsterdam. It was only a bleak piece of volcanic rock. एक छोटी सी volcanic rock से बना हुआ island था. We anchored offshore. अपने शिप को बांधा for the night कि नाइट वहाँ पर स्टे करेंगे. And the next morning, all 28 inhabitants of the island cheered as they helped us ashore. वहाँ पर सिर्फ 28 लोग ही रहते थे. They all came to help them. With land under my feet again. फिर वो land पे आया. My thoughts were full of Larry and Harvey, cheerful and optimistic under the direst stress. Direst means the maximum stressful days of his life. And of Mary, who stayed at the wheel for all those crucial hours. जिसने वो wheel को पकड़े रखा, वो खुद तो सो ही गया था ना. Most of all, I thought of 7-year-old girl who did not want us to worry about a head injury, which subsequently took 6 minor operations. 6 minor operations हुए थे उस बच्ची के बाद में. To remove recurring blood clot between skin and skull. And of 6-year-old यहाँ पर boy who was not afraid to die. Means he gives all the thanks to his wife Mary, his son and his daughter. So this is the way how we can overcome any difficulty of life if we all are together. All together means if we are together with our family members, our parents, our brothers, sisters, grandparents, everyone. So students, these videos I am making just to keep it safe for you. कि whenever you need any help, you can start this video and understand the text even during the examination, because some of the students have problem in online classes. They cannot attend due to network, but these videos are always saved on my channel. You can go to my channel and do your revision anytime you wish. Thank you, students.